Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by unplugging the headset and laying it on a soft cloth. This protects the finish. Once done, inspect the ear cup seam and identify the small top clip where the pad meets the plastic ring. You will pry the pad gently, use a fingernail or thin tool, working from that clip around the cup. Move slowly to avoid tearing the foam or ripping the retaining band. Keep the removed pad so you can compare orientation and ring fit with the new one. You peel the old pad off by pulling the elastic band away from the rim in even segments, preserving the band shape. Then, align the replacement pad so its seam matches the cup notch and start tucking the elastic over the top lip. Stretch a little and seat one side, then rotate and repeat in opposite segments. This avoids bunching. Make sure the foam sits centered inside the cup. If it resists, pause and reassess alignment before forcing the band further. You finish by running your thumbs around the entire rim to confirm a flush 360-degree fit. Press evenly to eliminate gaps or folds. Once seated, wear the headset for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm comfort and audio balance. Pads can shift slightly after initial stretch. If the pad feels loose, remove and reseat the band in smaller increments. Alternatively, a tiny dab of fabric-safe adhesive at one hidden point can secure it. If problems persist, swap back to the old pad and reassess alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.